So I feel that it is high time that as a representative of the Congress party, if I come into power, I will see to it that the woman becomes the most important person, not just in the family, but in the society and in the state at large. That is to empower them to be decision makers, to give them a chance to decide on everything pertaining to the economy, or maybe social, or maybe spiritual spheres.
Hardworking, efficient, they are known for that. Yet it is observed that there is still more to do for the women of Meghalaya. There's still more to do for their empowerment, to make them self-reliant, to make them financially and economically empowered. And Congress party is sensitive to this. As you have already noticed in our manifesto, we have commitments towards making women more economically independent and self-reliant. Especially I would like to talk about the NPP-led MDA government. They had them in their manifesto, many issues, many promises for the women, for women empowerment in the 2018 manifesto. They have not given a report card, but we would like to give a report card of the NPP. And I would like to point out, the data tells a different story altogether. The fifth round of the National Family and Health Survey of 2019-20 has exposed the condition of healthcare in Meghalaya regarding maternal and child health, child vaccinations and other aspects. Only 26% of children under the age of 12 months have received any vaccination. So you can imagine the promises they have kept for women and child, the care that the party, the NPP has for the women of and children of Meghalaya. Maternal mortality rate is 197 per lakh. Infant mortality rate stands at 34 per thousand. The NPP has claimed that institutional delivery in the state has gone up to 64%, but in reality, it shows that institutional delivery in the state is only 58%.
First and foremost is women empowerment. Just to get you the points, the second is regarding the youth. Okay, employment, but not employment for the youth as such, but employment generation for them. And the third is child rights. Well, when we talk about women empowerment in my constituency, most of them belong to the BPL families, and most of them are single mothers who have to take care of their entire family members. So, the regressive social practices that have been happening, these have not allowed the empowerment of women. Now, when I talk about regressive social practices, I mean lack of nutrition, lack of education, the child labor, child marriages, all these things are, hampering the growth of women. So, as far as my constituency is concerned, I have always taken up this issue because I feel that women need to be empowered, in the sense that, yes, I am not disregarding men. Men have their role to play. But then we need to lift up our women, because they too have a great role to play. As a family person, as a woman, as a wife, as a mother, as a sister, we have different roles to play. And I would always tell my people that, women have more responsibility towards the family. The man goes out, he goes and earns. In the end of the day, he comes home and he has everything ready for him. The food is ready. The children are put to bed. Who does all the work? It's the woman. And when you talk about, work for the women, let us face facts that only 29% of the women in the country are in the national workforce. So if that can happen, why can't they cover the 100%? Where is the other, 81%? We have a lot of potential for women in our state. The only thing we have not done, the present government has not given importance to women. We have not tapped their skills, their talent, and everything, is like undercover. So when I go from door to door, or when we have meetings with women in my constituency, they have a lot to complain about. They have sought for help, but nobody has helped them till now.